Had a neighbor roll an Allis Chalmers D17 into my shop with 3 orange manuals under his arm, and not one of them matched the tractor. He bought by the cover picture, which is a poor way to fix machinery. The D17 changed during production, so the first thing you need is the complete serial number and the fuel type. Get a rag and a flashlight, clean the identification plate gently, and copy every digit. Do not trust the hood decal. Sheet metal gets swapped, especially after 60 years of chores and fence posts. For operator manuals, the early gas range is listed through 24,001, while early diesel is through 24,000. Mid-gas and LP runs 24,001 to 42,000, and mid-diesel reaches 42,001. Series 3 covers 42,001 through 75,000 for gas, LP, and diesel. Series 4 starts at 75,001. Those endpoints overlap a little depending on fuel and manual edition, so match both facts to the exact coverage statement. Do not invent a cutoff because it looks tidy. Next, decide what job the book must do. An operator manual covers controls, shift patterns, capacities, lubrication, and routine adjustments. A service manual goes into diagnosis, disassembly, repair procedures, and specifications. If you run and repair the tractor, you will likely use both. Here is why the match matters. Early information lists a 12-volt, 60 amp-hour battery. Steering oil capacity is 4.5 quarts with power steering, but 3 quarts with manual steering. The gas engine is a 4-cylinder, 226 cubic inch engine, and live PTO speed is 540 RPM. Check your exact manual before pouring fluid or making an adjustment because configurations differ. Here is the trick they do not tell you at an auction. Photograph the serial plate and keep the picture inside the manual. Then nobody has to crawl around with a flashlight next winter. For the full D17 operator and service manuals, visit the manual store at the link below. Match the serial, fuel, and job before you wrench. It saves time, knuckles, and a fair amount of Iowa vocabulary. I will see you in the next one.